In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment type or method in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to keep your payment options organized in QuickBooks Desktop, adding a payment method is a simple task that can make your customer payments and record keeping much easier. This is especially helpful if you want to track the different ways customers pay, such as cash, check, credit card, or any other method your business uses. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and look at the top menu bar. From there, click on Lists. This section is where QuickBooks stores many of the master lists you use to manage your company file, so it's the starting point for this setup. After clicking Lists, move down and select Customer and Vendor Profile Lists. This area contains several profile-related options that help you manage the details connected to customers and vendors. Once that menu opens, click on Payment Method List. This will bring up the list of payment methods that are already available in your QuickBooks file. When you're in the Payment Method List window, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Payment Method. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for this list. From there, choose New to create a new payment method. A new window will appear where you can enter the details for the payment method you want to add. Type in the method name exactly how you want it to appear in QuickBooks. It's a good idea to keep the name clear and consistent, so it's easy to recognize later when entering payments or reviewing transactions. Then select the type that best matches the payment method you're creating. This helps QuickBooks categorize it correctly and keeps your records more organized. Once you've entered the name and selected the type, click OK to save it. And that's it. Your new payment method has now been added to QuickBooks Desktop. As a quick tip, after saving, you may want to review your list to make sure the new method appears exactly as expected. Keeping this list clean and standardized can save time and reduce mistakes when processing payments in the future. That's all for this process. You now know how to add a payment type or method in QuickBooks Desktop.